Hey guys, welcome to Tutorialguru. Today we'll be learning how to scan QR code in Viber app, and now let's dive right in. Now to scan the QR code in Viber app, first open up your Viber app on your phone. And after opening your Viber app, guys, at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see there's a more button available for us with the three dotted icon. Tap on the more button with the three dotted icon at the bottom right corner and you will land over here, whereas at the top right corner of the screen on this interface you can see there's a QR code icon available for us at the top right corner just beside the pen icon. Tap on the QR code. Now in order to scan QR code from over here, place the QR code over here on the rectangle box you can see, and Viber will scan that QR code on your phone. And with that being said, guys, this is how you will be able to scan QR code in Viber. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.